Hey everybody, back again. So we're going to go in. I just did a quick training on the viewer subscription, which is very important for you guys to have turned on so you can be successful with the products. And please let me know when you have all of that set, okay, or when you watch the video. So what we're going to do now is we're going to talk about our virtual office. This is important to know because you're going to get all kinds of information here. You are going to get be able to control your subscriptions and your orders. Okay, so your first like I said before, you log in. You're going to go to the circle with your initials. You're going to click My Account. Okay, and you can also go there and you can see your order history and your subscription. So you can do all of that here, or you can do it down here at the bottom. Okay. So you can change your profile. This is the profile. Change whatever information. My sponsor is Robin Fair, and I am your sponsor. Okay. So address book, you can add addresses here of different. So if you've got to change your address, then you can do that. Those are the different addresses that you use. So you can use different ones. Okay. Payment information. You can also put a profile picture here. I haven't done that yet. Orders, subscription. This is what I've ordered. This is my subscription every month. Now this is your site. So you can click on that and it'll take you to your site, or you can just tell people to go to plexusworldwide.com / and then whatever your name is. So mine's Robin Churchwell, so that's what they would do. Okay. So that's just your account. Okay. So let's go over here. We're going to go up to Virtual Office. I'm going to show you what this looks like. I am in my virtual office just about every single day. Actually, I am in it every day. I'm sometimes longer than others. I have to give it a second. I apologize. It is slow. Waiting on Trailways to come through. Okay, so this is your dashboard. This is your dashboard. Now, it shows here what your subscription is. So you can click on My Subscription. And it'll show you what your subscription, your monthly subscription is, okay? And when it's green, that means it's on. When it's red, it means it's not on. And you always want it to be green. Always, always, always. So then it takes you back to your account so that you can see your subscription, okay? So that's what that does. So the next thing that you have on your dashboard is your PV. That is personal volume. So for every product that we have, you have the price. So let's just take that X Factor, for example. To pay for that X Factor, it's $29.50 or something like that, okay? So your personal volume is the PV. So the PV is 25. It's 25. So that's what you get here. So when people order, it goes here. Okay, when your customers order, it goes to and shows you your current PV. You can also come down here and it has a breakdown. So you can see my orders. That's how much I order. My retail customer is here. And then my preferred customers are here. And this is my retail customer. Okay. So over here shows me my subscriptions for my customers. So I have 4 customers that have their subscription on. And I have 13 that don't, which is perfectly fine. Okay, so let's go back up here. This is your points and ranks. This is where your ambassadors help you. Okay, you are going to earn your commission off of your PV. So I earn, because I have $4.99 and over, I earn 25% of this 1,020. Okay. So I'm going to get 25% commission off of that. Now, for my ambassadors that I have, Once you have 3 ambassadors, you get 15 points. Then as you keep adding ambassadors to your team, you earn 5 points for each of those for the first levels 1 through 3. And so my 75 points come from my ambassadors that have that $100 PV. Okay, so when you have $100 PV, I get I get 5 points from you. So last month, the PV points that I was paid on was $3.04. So whatever it is this month, you know, I've said it in the past, but I think the lowest it's been has been $2.19, and the highest has been $3.19. So $3.04 is really good. So I'm going to get paid about $225 off of the 75 points. Now, I still have some ambassadors that have not had their subscription, or you don't have the 100 PV points. And then I still have a couple that their orders haven't gone out yet. So I am hoping that I will be up to 100 by January 31st. When I'm at 100 for January, I will, my rank is here, right here at silver right now, but my rank will move to gold. When I move to gold, I get a bonus, or you get a bonus when you get to gold of $250. Plus, you get $25 for each ambassador that signed up, okay? So, that's what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting on that this month. I'm so excited because I have worked a long time to get to gold, because I have not done this full time like I am now. Okay, and so when I have new ambassadors, there are 8 new ambassadors that have joined my team this month. Okay, a couple of those, they joined under Elizabeth. And so she has 2 new ambassadors, and I have 6 that have joined directly under me. But you guys are all on my team, okay? So that's where your new ambassadors will show up. Now, since I have these 8 new ambassadors, I don't receive the points for them until February, because with a new ambassador, you receive $25 bonus with those, at least $25. It could be more than that. But when you receive your $25 bonus, you don't get points for them until the next month. So next month, I will get 40 points for these 8 new ambassadors. Okay, so let's scroll down here. Over here is the contest for convention. Right now, I'm at 212 points. I should be at 233 is what I want to be able to get winner's dinner at convention. Okay, so I'm a little bit behind, but that's okay. I'm still working, and each month this will go up. Every time you get a new ambassador, you earn 10 credits. When you receive a new customer, you get 7 credits, I believe. And then my in January, my personal volume here, since I have 1,020, I'll get 75 credits. Okay, so I am on schedule for that for winter. I think it's winter's dinner, and you can click on here, and it'll give you all the information that you need. Okay, so then you have Sunny and Share, which is our newsletter, which is absolutely wonderful. You can go here to the Help Center, and it's also the Print Center. You can get your excuse me. You can get your brochures or your business cards here if you want to. And then we have the Scoop, which is it's our ambassador newsletter. Okay, so that is your dashboard. All the information that you're going to get there. So you can go over here to business. When you go over here to the left, and you can click here to find out who your ambassadors are. And I'm not going to click, and just because of privacy, because you have other information on there also. Okay, so you have your new ambassadors. You have your points and rank up. So it'll show all of my ambassadors. It shows me all my ambassadors, who has their subscriptions on, who does not, who is at the 100 500 PV, who's not there. And one of the things, guys, that I really do want to stress that is your subscription. I mean, I understand if you financially, if you can't turn it on this month, I understand that. Believe me, I've been there. That's one of the reasons why I'm doing this business, is so I don't have to worry about that. And that's what I want for all of you guys, so you don't have to worry about that. But if it's just because you feel like you just don't want to order it, you need to make sure that you are being consistent, okay? You need to make sure that you're being consistent with everything in order to be successful. And that's with your business and with your products. I cannot stress that enough. I can't stress it enough how Elizabeth and I are here for any questions that you have or any help that you have. So you can click there and it'll tell you your next rank up. I have 4 minutes left. I only have So this shows me that I'm at 75 points here. I have 25 more points to go, which is 5 more ambassadors to get to 100. My goal here this is my out of leg. I have to have 15 out of leg, which would be like my level 2s and my level 3s. Okay, and so this one I always surpass that. And then I have to have at least 3 ambassadors that are qualified, and there are 17 of you that are qualified this month. And so down below it tells us exactly, and I'm not going to go through here, but down below it has a list of all my ambassadors, and you can pull that up too and put that on and export it into a spreadsheet. This is your training center. So you really need to go to Rank Up Roadmap. Okay, each one of these has a video for you to watch. It's going to take a second. I'm sorry. But each one of those has a video for you to watch. And while that's loading, if you go over here, you have Success on Demand, which is your success kit. If you did not order one, you can go and it's online. Okay, that's how I pulled some of the stuff up for the PowerPoint the other day. It's our success kit right here. Okay, I'm just going to click on one. I don't know why it's not loading. Okay, so this is silver. So go in and watch this. It's only like 2 minutes, okay? And it's explaining to you how to get to silver. You watch it, it's 2 minutes long, okay? And each time you go to, you're ready to move up, you go and you click on the video and you watch the video for the next level. Okay, incentives and recognitions. Sometimes we have recognitions here. Let's see what it does. And it's going to take a second. So you have Consistency Club. So that tells you you're the 300, 500, 700 Consistency Club. If you do those for a certain, I think it's 11 months out of the year, if you hit those for 11 months out of the year, you will win prizes. You'll get prizes in the mail, okay? So that's pretty exciting. Last month I was awarded the 700 Consistency Club, which was my first time. Most of mine have been 300s, but I was very excited, okay? And I think I may get it again maybe 500. It'll be, but because I only have one customer this month. I think you have to have 3. So right now I only have one customer that has signed up, new ones. I have other ones, but new ones. We have convention contest. That's what we were just looking at. So it has me at 297 points. And to win $100 cash, I have to have 600 credit points, which I'm halfway there. And winner's dinner is 1,000, 500. I want the 12 right here. I want 500, $500 cash, and I want the winners. So everything. So when I get here, I get all of this. Okay. So if I've done this in January, and if I do that every single month, then I should be at 1,200 by the end of, I believe it's maybe the end of April is how long it goes. Okay. Oop, I am out of time.